Becoming rich is a goal that many people aspire to achieve. While there is no guaranteed formula for wealth, there are certain strategies that can help increase your chances of financial success. Here are some key principles to consider. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define what being rich means to you. Is it having a certain amount of money, owning valuable assets, or having financial freedom? Having specific goals will help guide your actions and motivate you to stay focused. 2. Develop a strong work ethic. Hard work is often a crucial factor in achieving financial success. Dedicate yourself to your work or business, and be willing to put in the time and effort necessary to excel. Continuously seek ways to improve your skills and knowledge in your chosen field. 3. Build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one source of income can limit your financial growth. Explore opportunities to diversify your income, such as starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, or generating passive income through royalties or investments. 4. Save and invest wisely. Saving money is essential for building wealth. Develop a habit of saving a portion of your income and avoid unnecessary expenses. Invest your savings in assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create an investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. 5. Manage debt effectively. Debt can hinder your ability to accumulate wealth. Minimize high-interest debts and prioritize paying them off. Use credit responsibly and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt that could strain your finances. 6. Stay informed and adapt. Stay updated on financial trends, economic conditions, and investment opportunities. Be willing to adapt your strategies as the financial landscape evolves. Seek advice from experts, read books, attend seminars, and stay curious about financial matters. 7. Surround yourself with the right people. Build a network of like-minded individuals who share your goals and values. Learn from successful people and seek mentors who can provide guidance and support along your journey. 8. Practice good financial habits. Budget your expenses, track your spending, and make informed financial decisions. Cultivate discipline and avoid impulsive purchases that can derail your progress. 9. Give back. Generosity and philanthropy can bring fulfillment and create positive impact. Consider donating to causes you care about or volunteering your time and skills to help others. It's important to note that achieving wealth takes time, patience, and perseverance.